Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make Qabuli Palow. Qabuli Palow is an Afghan dish and it's considered as the country's national dish. It is that famous, and it's made with basmati rice, meat, mainly lamb, and you can substitute lamb with boneless or bone-in chicken or whole chicken, and also shredded carrots and raisins. And I already have a video on Qabuli Palow. I made it with whole chicken, and it is a very simple recipe, and many of you loved that video and gave me lots of feedback and comments about that video. So that's why I'm making today's dish for you guys, because I got lots of comments on that video, and you guys enjoyed it so much, and some people asked me to make this with lamb. So here I am making Qabuli Palow with lamb, and I'm going to leave the link of my previous Qabuli Palow with whole chicken in the description box and in the info box up here, just in case you haven't seen it. I hope you join me. I'll be back to show you how to make this delicious traditional Afghan dish, Qabuli Palow, with boneless lamb from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here's our delicious Qabuli Palow. It looks absolutely gorgeous, pretty colors. Smells awesome. I smell the cumin and I can't wait to taste some. Absolutely delicious. Love the rice. It is fluffy. The lamb is very soft and tender, and the raisins and carrots make this dish just perfect. I hope you try this recipe. It is very delicious, and I know that you're going to love this. So if you have any comments or questions or suggestions about this or any of my other recipes, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.